Hello friends, my name is Riddhi. So today I'll show you my English language holiday homework. So friends, this is the title page. So in this English language holiday homework, we have to write 3 fairy tales in our own language and we have to make a picture also. So here I wrote Snow White and the 7 dwarfs. The next story is Cinderella. So here I made a picture and here I wrote the story. Friends, the last story is The Wicked Witch and the Baby. So friends, here I made a picture. So friends, this was my English language holiday homework. Bye.